Get ready to supercharge your wealth with AI. Welcome to AI Wealth Boost, where we bring you the latest and greatest in AI-powered wealth management. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future. Hey there, my fellow tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to learn a super cool tip that combines Chat GPT and Midjourney to get some really awesome results? Well, buckle up and let's dive in. In the past, whenever I used Midjourney to write prompts for me, I would simply type something like, write a generative art prompt to create a picture of a lion, and it would just spit out this long and boring paragraph. That's not how we write prompts in Midjourney. So instead, we can train Chat GPT to write prompts the way we want them to. Here's what we're going to do. Let's create a new chat and train it on how we want our Midjourney prompt to be formed. We'll start by giving it a formula that we've been experimenting with. It goes something like this. Image of subject in this style, with these 5 descriptive keywords, taken with this camera type, using this camera lens type, on this type of day, in this style of photograph, using this type of film. Now, I don't want it to generate anything for me just yet. I want to make sure that ChatGPT understands the formula, so I'm going to ask it to respond with a yes if it understands. And, of course, ChatGPT says yes, because it's a smart cookie. Okay, so now that ChatGPT is trained, let's ask it to write us 5 Midjourney prompts for urban photography. And check it out, it follows the exact formula that we just plugged in. We get an image of a bustling city street that's vibrant, energetic, diverse, chaotic, gritty, taken with a DSLR and a wide-angle lens, on a late afternoon, and in the style of street photography with black and white film. Wow, that's pretty cool, right? But ChatGPT also left some of the parentheses in, and we don't want those in our prompts. So let's ask ChatGPT to rewrite the same 5 prompts but without the parentheses. And just like that, we have 5 new prompts, ready to be used. Now, let's copy these prompts and see what we get. So, I'm going to imagine a city street black and white photo, bustling and gritty, and with an aspect ratio of 16:9. And what do we get? A convincing-looking city street. I'm impressed. Let's move on to the next prompt. I'm going to imagine a modern skyscraper, sleek and impressive, with a blue hour, and taken with a mirrorless camera and a telephoto lens, and with color film. And check it out, we get a pretty futuristic-looking skyscraper. Okay, let's move on to the next prompt. I'm imagining a graffiti-covered wall, edgy and colorful, taken with an urban film camera and a prime lens, during midday, and in the style of documentary photography with slide film. And, bam! We get a really cool graffiti wall. Moving on to the next prompt, I'm imagining a crowded subway station, busy and diverse, taken with a smartphone camera and a fisheye lens, during rush hour, and in the style of candid photography with digital. And look at that, we get a fisheye lens view of a subway station during rush hour. So cool! And finally, for the last prompt, I'm imagining a street performer, entertaining and engaging, taken with a compact camera and a portrait lens, during golden hour, and in the style of portrait photography with black and white film. And, ta-da! We get a great portrait shot of a street performer. So, there you have it. By combining ChatGPT and Midjourney, we were able to generate 5 awesome prompts for urban photography, and then use those prompts to create some pretty impressive images. And the best part is that we didn't have to spend hours brainstorming and coming up with prompts ourselves. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to get creative with their photography and generate new ideas quickly. But of course, this technique can be applied to other creative fields as well. For example, if you're a writer, you can use ChatGPT to generate story prompts or character descriptions. Or if you're a musician, you can use it to generate song lyrics or even entire chord progressions. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Midjourney are powerful tools that can help you get creative and generate new ideas quickly. By training ChatGPT to write prompts in the style you want, you can create a personalized prompt generator that can be used for a variety of creative pursuits. So give it a try and see what kind of awesome ideas you can come up with. Thanks for tuning in. Let's boost your wealth with AI. Subscribe now for the ultimate edge.